apple that I just can't reach. So I'm going to get some guys to help me. This is the monster in the fridge prank. Hey, can you help me get this pack of Red's Wicked Apple down? I'm too short. Well, I'm too short. I can't get it down.
You can't reach that?
No. Can you help me? I can't reach this. Excuse me? Would you be able to help me and get something off the shelf? I can't reach it. I'm so little. It's just here. I want to get one of these down, and I can't reach. So I'm so little. Yeah, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. I'm sorry. Thanks. I just wanted a Red's Wicked Apple.
Sure.
We're just pranking you. You're on a hidden camera prank. And there's a hidden camera here and here and here.
Oh, yeah. Where?
Here.
Here. Ah! I didn't even see that on that too.
There's a camera here and a camera here and a camera here.
You want this still? Yeah, here we go. Oh, get on it.
There's a camera here and a camera here and a camera here.
Oh, okay. You got me.
Your reaction was so good.